that there are students who have never attended the college also. They are sitting somewhere in Rajasthan, somewhere in UP, and they just give their documents to some person who comes with 50 or 50 documents of 50. They would get it. They come and give admission. They come and give examination only, never come to colleges. So therefore, this is a actually education mafia operating. Nobody is sent here.
My college is not like the other colleges about which this scam is being reported.
Just a moment, Mr. Binod.
Is that their admission has been cancelled by the college.
My lord,
They are not seeking certificate, rather they are seeking refund of fees.
It is regarding case number 26912 of 2023 listed at 1.2. This matter is filed by 18 students stating that their admissions have been cancelled and their fees be returned. It has nothing to do with the ongoing matter, my lord. It has been clubbed with this matter.
We hear that
The relief
matter
has
also.
been sought.
We hear these matters, which are individual matters, not having any kind of relationship to the larger question involved before this court. From the 15th onwards, we'll take up those cases and pass short orders if need be.
But
And settle them, yes.
This is matter, my lord. This can be delinked from the bunch. Actually, it has nothing to do with
This
this.
is good. Which is the item number? Which is your item number?
1.2.
1.2, my lord.
1.2. 1.2.
Yes,
Yes, my lord.
And as this is, is
My lord.
relatively separate from the other cases and does not have any relation with another question before this court. Come on, same way dealing and listen separately.
my lord, I'm
Just a moment, just a moment. We can give an earlier date, in fact, of this. 15 is good enough.
I speak a fixed date, my lord.
my lord, in this matter 1.2, I am appearing for petitioners, my lord. My lord, this
Same matter was.
my lord, he's appearing for respondent number 2 college, my lord, against which we have filed this petition, my lord. In this matter, very short issue is involved regarding the refund of fees
That is-
and their cancellation of their
So we
admission.
will separate it from the,
My
rest of
lord,
the
this-
matters and list this on 10th के लिए डाल दीजिए. We'll keep it on 10th.
These matters may not be dealing, your lordships, because many colleges, they have taken admissions of the students without there being affiliation.
But
And
this
they
is
have
not the
taken
case with us.
money, and those colleges needs to be hauled up.
No, they will be hauled up. The colleges will be hauled up.
College will be.
That's a separate issue. We are only protecting the interest of those people who actually went and joined these colleges thinking them to be genuine on account of the actions of the INC and the FDN.
No, there are many students
My
who have
college
never
is fully
attended the college
recognized by
also.
all the bodies.
There are issues, your honor,
Yeah,
that
please.
there is a larger issue, that there are students who have never attended the college also. They are sitting somewhere in Rajasthan, somewhere in UP, and they just give their documents to some person who comes with 50 or 50
Oh, that
documents of 50.
They would get a
Degree.
certificate.
50, yes, they only want certificate. They come and give admission, they come and give examination only, never come to colleges. So therefore, this is a actually education mafia operating.
Wait,
Nobody is sent here.
Let's look at 1.2 for a second. Let's look at 1.2.
This is, my lord, the college.
My lord,
Students,
That's
Okay.
their admission has been cancelled by the college, my lord, and therefore they are seeking refund of the fees.
No, they are saying that their admission
just a moment.
be reinstated.
Look at 1.2. The first petitioner is Ashwini Rai. He is from Bhopal.
Yes.
Second is Aishwarya Das, unemployed, Kerala.
Rest all are from Kerala, my lord.
From Kerala.
My lord, in this case, the petitioners have
Huge-
attended the college. This was my lord, even they have admitted in the hostel as well. My lord, we have filed an application as an actual.
Sorry, your case will not be dealing.
Uh,
It was scandalous from 2 to.
My
My
lord,
lord, in Mar Basilio's college, this is a minority unaided institution. All these students are from South.
Mr. Binod, just a moment. They
Yes,
are
my lord.
all from Kerala. A state
Yes.
has nursing institutions which are 100 times better than this place, who couldn't get in there and are now paying to get just the certificate.
my
But
lord,
my lord,
we
my
took
institution is
admission
also
in
par excellent.
2021 during COVID,
Sorry,
my
Mr.
lord.
Binod, we are not dealing this matter. We will.
Thereafter, in 2022,
Oh,
my
my
lord,
lord,
we joined our
Clear
colleges,
this
my
fact,
lord, in
clear
Bhopal.
this fact that the students are from Kerala
My lord, we
My
have applied
college
to
has
the
cleared
court, my
all
lord.
the
Just a moment,
inspections
Mr.
by
Binosh.
the CBI also, my lord.
Mr. Binosh, first of all, give the details where all these students were staying in Madhya Pradesh.
In
Where-
our
which is the-
hostel, it's a par excellent
Yes,
institution,
yes,
my lord.
we would like-
CBI has visited twice.
Listen.
It has all facilities.
Let us get the, first of all, show us the proof that you were staying in Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, my lord,
We
they were
have
in my
filed
hostel.
an annexures as P1, my
We'll
lord.
consider this on 15.
In fact, what
Yeah,
is it?
Lord,
absolutely.
my lord,
Coming
it
from
is-
Kerala to
it
Madhya
is
Pradesh.
ranking number 2 in Madhya Pradesh.
This was a
It is
residential
far
college
more
and we had
excellent than
joined
the
in
government
hostels as well, my
nursing
lord.
colleges,
We
my
have
lord.
filed in documents regarding
In
this.
I state across the board, my lord.
College.
My college is not
College.
like the other colleges
Suitable or
about
unsuitable.
which this scam is being reported.
Just a moment, Mr. Binosh, wait.
My lord, I'll verify this aspect, my lord, whether it is suitable, unsuitable, my lord, but their grievance is that their admission has been cancelled by the college.
My lord,
They are
the
not seeking
issue,
certificate, rather they are seeking refund of fees. They say
That
that
is it.
fees be refunded.
And
my
they genuinely took admission, classes were running, and this college is far more better than the other government colleges, my lord.
Which is this college where
Both
they
the
are
CBI inquiries, it was cleared in
lord.
state of the art laboratories. Complete staff is there.
Bhopal.
No, not even one irregularity has been complained against.
When was this nursing college set up?
My lord, we'll just point out whether the status of the college, my lord.
my lord,
Whether it is,
the reply has been filed by the respondent number file. They have filed an annexure R1. which
In
provide
spite of
the
this
section
scam,
of
my
this
lord,
college,
the All India Nursing
along
College
with
has
the details
granted
of
us
the faculties,
increased the
my
number
lord.
of seats in our college.
We'll see that. Let's go.
From 50, it has given us the sanction to 60 now.
Alok, see, prima facie it appears scandalous that they've come here to do a course in nursing after leaving Kerala. All right. So what is the status of this institution?
My lord,
Has that is the what do you call recognition being cancelled in this?
no, my lord,
No, my lord, never.
Fine.
it is at Bhopal, my lord.
Mark Basilius Nursing College, which is the institution running this?
It's a minority educational institute run by the church, Catholic Church.
Since when was this running? Nursing course of the year from
It
which
is
year
at
on?
least, my lord, I will, from the year,
Give me the status
more
of
than
this.
15 years old.
Just
I
point it.
have filed the documents.
Now, first of all, let us see the status of this college.
कब से चल रहा है? कुछ सुन रहे हो? जो पूछ रहा हूं. Since that was not the question involved, but I will. From 2009, this college is running, my lord.
That's it.
2009. It has an independent, huge building. Complete staff is there. Students essentially come from south.
We will, sir, we will first of all see what are the
My
present
lord,
status.
I
according
will
to
present
this-
the documents, my lord. Let the council present the documents. I will independently file my documents.
My lord, according to the CBI report, this college was deficient, and therefore it went before the committee. Now the committee report is with my lord.
All right. We'll see that. We'll keep this also for the 15th.
My lord, and actually,
We'll take it up on the 15th. First,
my
let us
friend,
go through this.
my friend informs my lord that this is a suitable college. It cured the deficiency also.
My lord,
Those deficiencies were minor
our
deficiencies.
issue in this case, earlier they have sanctioned strength of 50 students. And we were admitted under the intake, my lord, intake capacity. Thereafter, in 2021 and 22, they reapplied for the renewal of the strength, my lord. Then their scheme, the strength was decreased, my lord, to 20 students, my lord. Thereafter, this college, my lord, pressurized us to write a letter for cancellation of our on own admission, my lord, because they have denied us to submit the mark sheet, my lord.
No.
Therefore, we have filed this petition seeking refund of our fees.
We will look into
I
that.
have filed all the documents, my lord. They withdrew their admission because from
Just a moment,
21,
Mr.
22,
Binosh,
no
just a minute.
examination took
Mr.
place.
Binosh, just a moment, please.
Yes, my lord.
Take this up on the 15th, along with the other case, 16, along with the other cases, but we'll take this on a priority basis to find out. If they are only asking for a refund of the money and that the institution is recognized. They say it's running since 2009. That is
Yes.
that. So you also.
And it is running today also, my lord. We have all the permissions.
Just a moment,
We have
Mr.
cleared all the inspections.
Even have the copy of their petition. I'm just
Give him a copy.
pointing out-
I said on the last date of hearing, whichever any new petition or application we find will be given to the PIL council.
My lord.
In general, I am saying that this is the practice which happens, that students don't come, they just give their documents to some middleman. This middleman comes and blocks the seats. And then they straightway come and give examination. That is what is happening.
But my lord, this case,
There
this
are
is not a
students
case,
having-
my lord.
They are genuine students. The institution is genuine.
Let-
And they took admission in other colleges. That is the fact, which I have narrated in my return.
And
And
there
they
are
be asked that they are wanting their
Because just a
admission to
moment,
be
please.
reinstated.
cases of colleges which have given admission to students without having recognition, without having affiliation. And there is a clear-cut guideline that unless and until you are given affiliation, don't admit students.
So far as my lord, this college is concerned, my lord,
Speaking about this college.
well,
You take the details and find out, so that.
so far as this college is concerned, my lord, CBI had marked them as deficient. And after that, they were before the committee, and my friends informed that the committee has cleared because they had cured the minor deficiencies which were pointed out by the CBI. So therefore, now they have been reclassified as a suitable college. my lord.
In college.
What sorry pass that we've had to have the premier investigating agency to do the job of the statutory bodies, that is the INC.
In fact, my lord, when it was directed, my lord, these all matters traveled to Supreme Court, my lord, and certain, my lord, Supreme Court also endorsed the point of view taken by the Honorable High Court that this was required.
So we'll take these separate matters like what Nagan Saab has also said, which are separate and individuals. Individual, we'll take them on 16th is what you wanted, isn't it? 16th. But short submissions.
Yes,
matters.
yes. Lord, my,
Six matters also.
that's why I said, let the writ
If it is
petitioners,
separate from the issue, from the larger issue,
Yes.
we can decide
Yes,
those
yes.
matters on the 16th.
very well.
The
That's
first-
why I said, my lord, lordship may be briefed by them as to the entire bigger issue.
You can do that also. You can find it.
Yes.
My lord,
Short submissions and written submissions,
Yes.
and then we'll do the.
My lord, I seek permission, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Binosh, you will also be given.
I
a copy.
shall file, my lord, I seek permission to file the paper book right from 2009. And
All right,
including the pictures, photographs, everything. Because the doubt which has been raised by the honorable court, I need to address that, my lord.
All right, you find those documents, but hand over a copy of the document to the council and WP 1080.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
My lord, so far as on 15th, when these matters are taken up, my lord, we'll try to prepare a list of cases, my lord, in which we'll classify them as to individual cases and the issues which are involved.
That's nice.
So that way, my lord, can segregate the hearing dates, my lord.
That's.
Two matters may require a separate decision. 1.9 and 1.10. Now, there are 7 issues, my lord, flagged by my learned senior Mr. Vagrecha. 1.9 and 1.10 are not involved in any of those issues. The issue there is, my lord, that the cabinet took a decision somewhere in the year 2015 that graduates who are graduating from Government Nursing College in Madhya Pradesh, they will be directly given recruitment on the post of nursing officers, because they are required to serve a bond and serve in tribal areas. Now, what is happening is that we,
Kapil, there are defects that have been pointed out in your.
so those that's ignoring is that defect is for court fees, that you need to pay a separate
that.
court fees. In light of a court judgment, I've prayed for ignoring of those defects.
But get that removed before the next date of hearing.
No, so I've prayed for it. They are saying separate court fees needs to be paid for all. I am relying on a judgment which says.
Deficiency of 18,000, why should we let go that?
I'm relying on a judgment. If your lordship wants, I'll argue on that. I'm relying on a judgment, Lord, which says I'm not required to pay court fees because it's the same cause of action. It's not a different cause of action for each petitioner. There's a
No, but
judgment by this honorable
It may
court.
not be this, you may not have, in one petitioner, there are multiple petitioners, but
Yes.
there are multiple petitioners itself.
No, there are only 2 petitions,
So,
1.9, 1.10.
6,000. On the second one, which is a separate WP, that is 6,250.
1.9, 1.10, the 2 petitions,
Oh, but
both
I-
have multiple petitions.
I can understand multiple petitioners in one petition,
Yes,
and it is distinct from multiple petitions.
absolutely.
distinct from multiple
Yes,
petitions.
yes.
So here's a case of multiple petitions.
Pay the court fees. I'll do that. I'll do that in the meanwhile, because I have a direction maybe needed to the state government. So 2015, my lord, cabinet comes out with a policy that students who will graduate from Government Nursing College of Madhya Pradesh, they will be directly given recruitment on the post of nursing officers because they are required to serve a bond and serve in tribal areas. So that encouragement is there. My lords, all my previous batches have graduated and have been given direct appointment. Some of my batchmates also have been given direct recruitment. Now, these are leftover graduates of the year 2022. Without giving appointment to them, state government has directly come out with a direct recruitment advertisement. So we are only praying for enforcement of their own cabinet policy, which they've been following since long. They have not been replying to that, my lord. In fact, some of my batchmates have directly been given. So they may be given direction,
This is not connected to the issue.
not to the nursing matters. Yes.
This was not issued. That's not, obviously, it appears to be so. So,
So a direction needs to be given to them, my lord, to explain that why this pick and choose is being adopted.
we can delink your case there from the bus.
Because I have no inhibitions if this is linked or delinked. I only say that the state government needs to be directed to produce this data on record and why they are not following their own cabinet policy. Some of my own batchmates have been given appointments following the same policy. Remaining students are left out and a direct recruitment has carried out. So only that direction needs to be given so that by the next date that replies there.
We'll see this on the
Ji.
16th. 16th, we'll take it
Because
up.
the difficulties we have graduated in the year 2022. For the past 3 years and 4 years of my graduation, 7 years, we are unemployed waiting for them to come out. And I have to serve a further bond period of 5 years. So जितना delay करते जाएंगे मेरा bond period में another 5 years, my prime is gone without job, without. They are not filing. That's what I say. They should be directed to file reply by the next date.
In item number 1.9 and 1.10, the respondents are requested to file the reply on or before the next date of hearing, addressing the concerns raised by the petitioner. This will, we'll let them.